Hi everyone. In case you missed class today, I want to share with you a video going over the introduction of your project. We are starting a project today and working on it every day this week, and it will be due Friday night at 11:59 p.m. And this project takes place of your test, so it's about 60% of your grade, and you have to do this project to avoid getting an incomplete in the class. So I'm going to show you where to find the materials. In our Teams page, whether you are third period or fifth period, you are going to go to our Teams page. Up at the top, you're going to go to Files, and then you're going to go to Class Materials, not KC1 Project. That was our last unit. So you're going to go to Class Materials. Then once you click that, you'll be able to find the birthday project. And there's everything you need here. I give you 2 examples of the project. I give you the instructions and the rubric. Let's go over the instructions. So this project is broken up into 4 parts, and we all know that I love birthdays, so this project is about your birthday. And it is here that you will see all the instructions. So it says it's broken up into 4 parts. It's worth 60% of your grade. And it's broken up into 4 parts, and you are going to be responsible for each part. So part 1 is multiplying binomials. And so this is about your birthday, and you are going to use the digits of your birthday to create 2 binomials. The month of your birthday will be the number for your first binomial, and the day of your birthday will be the number for your second binomial. So everyone's format will be something like this. Everyone's format will be something like this. We're going to work with positive, so x plus blank, and then in parentheses, x plus blank. So for an example, my birthday is January 6th. January is the first month out of the year, so x plus 1 for the first month, and I give you a reference right here. And then my birth date is the 6th, and so x plus 6. Alrighty. And then now that you have these, you're going to multiply them together. You're going to do all your work on the GoFormative, but now that you have these, you're going to multiply them together to get your polynomial. Once you have your polynomial, you're going to go and graph that polynomial. So you're going to go and graph it, and you're going to label all of these key features. All of these key features using Desmos. Again, this will be in the GoFormative. Part 3 for target C is you're going to factor the polynomial that you worked with, set them equal to 0, and solve for x, just like what we did on Friday. You're going to factor it. You're going to take your parentheses, set them equal to 0, and solve for x. You should have 2 answers for part 3. And then you're going to put this all together in a PowerPoint presentation. It needs to look nice. Your PowerPoint needs to look nice. You shouldn't be working on the PowerPoint, though, until you get to the until your GoFormative is complete. Okay, so on this, you will find the GoFormative link. You will find the GoFormative link, so you can just control click on this. You want to make sure that you check in with me or Mrs. O'Neill. We are not going to check it word for word, but we want to make sure that you're on the right track. Your PowerPoint then needs to be made. It needs to look very nice. And then this is due by Friday again. So here's that. Your rubric is also in this folder, so please make sure that you look for the rubric for how you are going to be graded. And then here's an example. Here's 2 examples, one for me and one for Mr. Howitz, who did it. So my theme was Halloween. So here's part A. I had x plus 1, x plus 6. I showed all of my work I multiplied those two together. I multiplied these 2 together. I showed all of my work for a final answer of x squared plus 7x plus 6. Okay, then part B, remember, I needed to label my key features, and you want to make sure that you include a picture of your graph in your PowerPoint. And so here's your key features: domain, range, vertex, max, min, up, down, x-intercepts, y-intercepts. I included all of that here, but I did it the first time around on my GoFormative. I want this part to look nice. You want to use infinity signs. You want it to look nice. You want to use math type. You want to use equation. And then part C, I took my equation now that I had, I factored it, and I set each one of my factors equal to 0 to find for the zeros. Okay? And then you will find all of this work that you are going to do on your GoFormative. You are going to do this work on your GoFormative. So please check out the GoFormative for where you're going to put your stuff.